Who is your ideal person? Do you believe in simple living and high thinking? What type of nature do you have? Do you like serious person? Do you like jolly person? Do you like the principle of Mahatma Gandhi? Do you like peaceful life or showful life? Are you kind-hearted person or very strict? Do you help your parents? Have you ever helped anyone in your life? Whom did you help? How did you help? Did you quarrel any person in your life? Did you ever abuse any person in your life? What type of people do you like? Are you a lion-hearted person or kind-hearted person? What type of people you don't like? What type of people you always had? Would you like to help handicapped person or poor person? Should we help the poor person or not? Thank you.